What's up, guys? About to go on another hike. My little brother, cousin, and her fiance, they're first time hiking with me, so I'm excited about that. Waiting on them. We're all gonna get together and drive together so that we don't have to pay for extra parking. But yeah, super excited about this. See non-hikers, how they do it. But yeah, they should be here in any minute, so stay tuned. Y'all excited?
Yeah, man.
So where are we headed?
I don't know.
Rainbow Falls?
That's what I thought.
It says River Falls Road on it.
Oh, okay. No, it's Rainbow Falls. It's what's the state park called again? Jones Gap. Jones Gap.
That's the name of the waterfall?
Yeah, Jones Gap. Well, no, the waterfall's called Rainbow Falls.
I'm tired already.
City boy. He just tripped too. We made it. This one's nice. Not a long one, but it's really awesome. I like it a lot. My brother just climbed up there. Huh? No. This is awesome. Yeah, we did it. It was 1.1 miles. We wanted to do Rainbow Falls, but we ended up doing Jones Gap Falls because we didn't have enough time because the park was going to close. But yeah, still got to get to see a waterfall. That's all that matters. And now time for pictures. We're done hiking for the day. Had fun. All right, guys. So your sushi.
That looks good.
What is it?
This? That's the dynamite.
The what?
Dynamite.
Dynamite?
The lobster.
What did y'all get?
Game call.
This is
Rainbow.
the rainbow, and then this is the gamecock.
I just got hibachi because I'm weird. Alright, we just finished. I think everybody's tired, full, ready to go. Thank you guys.
Would you like boxes for anything or yoga? Yeah, we're good. And then how are y'all split?
I got this.
One or?
Yeah, this one.
And my brother's paying for the food. That's bankroll, man. All right, guys, just got back home. Had an awesome time with my brother Zed, my cousin Sarah, and her fiance Ramsey. I didn't get to introduce them throughout the video. Sorry about that. But yeah, really awesome time. Got to see the waterfall. Waterfall was amazing. Hike was amazing. Nothing but good times and laughing. And then we had the sushi. I don't care for, but they enjoyed it. We all had a great time, and I really enjoyed hiking with them. I don't get to hike with my family a lot other than my sister and her kids, but this was the first time that I got to hike with other family members, and it was really awesome. I enjoyed it. I hope I get to do it again. My cousin and her fiance are moving to Chicago once they get married, so maybe I can go up there and hike with them, or not even go hike, just check out the city and stuff. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Peace, y'all.